These birds exist only in the Caribbean and nowhere else on Earth. St. Lucia amazon, a rare parrot brought back from the edge of extinction. St. Vincent amazon, bright, loud, and impossible to ignore. Hispaniolan trogon, a forest bird with unreal colors. Montserrat oriole, found on just one volcanic island. Bahama yellowthroat, hidden deep in island wetlands. Puerto Rican euphonia, small, bright, and melodic. Cayman brack parrot, living only on a tiny Caribbean island. Grenada dove, one of the rarest doves alive. Bee hummingbird, the tiniest bird on Earth. Imperial amazon, massive, rare, and critically endangered. Cuban toady, tiny, bright, almost unreal. Guadalupe woodpecker, found nowhere else but one island. Barbuda warbler, a survivor of hurricanes. Banana kid, small, fast, and everywhere, but still unique. Jamaican iguana, wait, not a bird, but still one of the rarest island animals. Broad-billed toady, bright green and lightning fast. Barbados bullfinch, curious and surprisingly bold. Yellow-billed amazon, a Jamaican parrot fighting to survive. Martinique oriole, dark, rare, and barely seen. Some of these birds have only a few hundred left, and if they disappear, they're gone forever.